What's up, YouTube? It's Zach here with LsBluu. We are going to our local tuner, Mr. Adam Holmes with HolmesTuning over in Cox's Creek, and we're going to turn up the nitrous a little bit. Hoping it goes pretty good. Don't want to hurt anything. Don't want to hurt the motor or nothing. But I'm gonna let him do some tuning on it. Got a full bottle here. All right, so we're getting ready to be at Adams. Truck's ran pretty good today. Still pulls pretty good. Still surging and dying. Voltage looks all right, but we're just gonna let him work his magic and see if we can't get something done right. I can't take no more of this surging, dying, voltage, all that stuff. And I'm ready to get more nitrous going. So we'll see how she does tomorrow. Hopefully she holds together. So we'll pick up tomorrow. So I'm leaving the dyno, sitting in traffic. Truck is doing awesome, other than a little bit of rear end issues. Finally, we did not turn the nitrous up, but we made a lot more power. As you can see, it still has the 150 shot jets in it, and it made what it made with the same jets. I couldn't be happier. I was expecting to have to put the 200 shot jets in to make the power that it made. The new computer, it fixed the whole surging issue, it fixed the whole voltage. The voltage issue is still there. I think I need to check some grounds, but the surging issue and the dying issue is pretty much gone. The rear end, stock 7.5, it's rattling and carrying on. We were in a parking lot just checking out the surging issue. Put it in reverse, Terry. Backed up a little bit because that's where it normally died. Put it in drive. It locked down, popped real loud. Since then, it's had a little small rattle to it. So I'm gonna check it out tonight and see what we find. And hopefully, we don't have to have a new rear end. If we do, we'll have to be letting it sit for a while because I ain't got that kind of money right now. Okay, so I know this doesn't look like the safest thing to do, but this is really all I know to do. I've got the truck up on jack stands and I'm running it. I can't hear anything. It was making an awful rattling sound on the way over here. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna run it some more and see what I can find underneath. So I have figured it out. Finally time for a rear end. It didn't, grenade in a big, whatever you want to call it, big explosion. It literally popped and started growling, and now it's knocking. So I'm not going to drive it anymore. I'll make some videos of the swap, the rear end swap. I don't know what else to do except park it and pull the rear end out, pull the diff cover off or something. But that is going to be all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you.